Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase an item using the Lazada application. Open, all right. And now you will see highlights, promo, top brands, electronics, home and living, fashion, health and beauty, baby and toys, sports and travel, motors. All right. And on the left hand side, you will see the categories for the items they have on. And on the upper right hand, this is my account, the account notifications, my orders, my addresses, settings, policies, help, and logout. So before you can start purchasing an item here in Lazada application or using the Lazada application, you will need to create an account. So you can log in using your Facebook account or your email. I will show you the because every day but that would depends. Every day they have like a discount or a voucher code that will give you a discount on a specific item. So that would depends. It's a case to case basis. So for now they have this 10% discount. So as you can see guys, it says new customers only. Okay, so if you're an existing customer, then you will not be able to get that discount. All right, so let's just say if you are a new customer, okay, then you need to take note of this code LZDJ1NC. So by using this code, you will get a maximum discount of 200 pesos for a minimum purchase of 1,000. All right, and if you're going to scroll down, you will see there the deals that they have as of right now. Okay, and for promo, they have this specific items that they are on sale for a specific time. So as you can see, they have this health and beauty flash sale. So this sale is going to end in 14 hours, I guess. Electronics. Let's just say if we're going to purchase an action camera. So I will go to electronics, this one, and then I'll go to I'll tap on the sports and action camcorder. All right. Okay, so we are now here on the sports and action camera items. And if you would like to sort the brand, so you can just click on here, from, let's say, for price from low to high or high to low, delivery time, name, and the brand. All right, so let's just say I'm going to purchase the SJ Cam SJ4000. All right. Okay. So that is my address over there. Below the delivery options, standard delivery free. That's free because if you're going to purchase in Lazada, if the amount is like 1,000 and up, then the shipping fee is free, but that would depends on the product that you are purchasing. Because if it's the item is big or it's heavy, so let's just say if it's a refrigerator, a washing machine, television, so yes, it has charges for shipping. All right, now this is the important one. So it says cash on delivery available. So for me as a buyer, I've been a buyer for almost like 3 years, 2 years, I guess. I would prefer cash on delivery. And if you're going to scroll your screen down, so they have there the details of the product. So it says 12 megapixel, memory card, video resolution, display time. All right, and these are the feedback. or the reviews from the customers. Okay, let's see here. So let's just say product legit, fast delivery. That's good. That's a good review. It is very important for you to check if the item is good or not. You need to check the reviews of the previous customers. So we're done with the reviews. Okay. Just say if we're going to purchase the SJ Cam SJ4000, so we need to tap on buy now. Okay, so as you can see, we are now on the My Cart screen, and you can see there the SJ Cam SJ4000 Wi-Fi action camera. All right, so make sure the quantity for that specific item is one. Because say, let's just say if you're going to purchase just a single or one SJ Cam, so make sure it displays one. Because if it displays two or three, then you accidentally like tap on the continue screen, then it will actually process the purchase automatically. So it's a hassle for your end to like return that item. All right, so now let's check the price. It's 2,799 pesos, and it has a 69% discount. So we're going to tap in proceed to checkout. All right, so it's processing right now. There, that is my address, my name, all the information, my contact number, and from there you can see standard delivery. It says free. The item is expected to be delivered by January 30, 2017 until February 2, 2017. Okay, so if you have a different address that you need this item to be delivered, then you can tap on bill to different address. But if the one you have there on the screen is the correct one, then you can just proceed on tapping the proceed to pay. All right, running out of battery, guys. Okay, so now we just need to wait for the checkout screen. Okay, so as you can see, yes, we have there the credit or debit card, cash on delivery transaction, installment through BDO, Hello Pay, and PayPal. But since I don't have a credit card, so I'll just tap in cash on delivery, guys. So we are now on the payment section. All right, so it says pay using our cash on delivery service. Okay, so just we need to review the order before we can process the item or proceed with the transaction. All right, so this is the important part of purchasing an item using the application. So it says subtotal, that's 2,799 pesos. Shipping fees is free. Do you have voucher? So let's just say we have voucher, the one that we checked a while ago. So that was LZD. So we need to type it in, LZD J1 and C. Okay, then you need to tap apply. Okay, so expectedly, yes. So it displays, sorry, this voucher does not apply to your selected product. Because what I mentioned a while, guys, that specific voucher code is only for new customers. And since I've been an existing customer, so basically this voucher would not work. Okay. All right, so let's just review the items. Okay. Now, since this is just to show you guys on how to order an item here in or using the Lazada application, I will not tap on place to order, because if we're going to tap on the place order, then it will continue the transaction, and I already got one, so no need to purchase another one. Okay, so that's it. You just need to place an order, tap on place order, so that you will have a notification from Lazada through emails and text